Hi guys, it's your boy Gadget Man 404 here, and today I'm taking out the Mavic Mini, if you can see that, DJI, and I'm going to do a hover test. Now I'm going to do a hover test until the battery does an auto land, which is, I believe, is around about 20%. And then after the 20%, I think you can go down as little as 12%. But then when you get to 12% and you land, it won't let you take off again. So it must have been from that last update, the 400 one, and it added a few things like the taking off in no-fly zones and the geofencing. I think that has tweaked the battery, so even at 12% left, you could get another few minutes. If you've landed it, it won't let you take off and try again. So this flight is just going to be hovering it in my local field. It's very boggy, so I'll do a hand takeoff and hand landing. So I'm just going to stop this recording, get it all calibrated and what have you, and then I'll be up in the air in a few seconds. So for now, Gadget Man 404 out. As you can see, and as you can probably hear, it's very windy guys, but this video I just want to flatten out this battery. I haven't flown it for a while, so I'm not too bothered about doing a flight. I just want to flatten out this battery, and then I've got a new adapter, a new battery adapter that actually fits onto the battery, and it connects to a 3.0 quick charger. I've got a 6 amp lead, so basically I just want to see how long it takes to charge up. It says it takes up to 80 minutes, but I don't actually know if that's correct, because I've been waiting for the charger. The charger came the other day. I've been a bit busy today. Look at that blue sky, that shot there guys, wow. The clouds behind the Mavic. I'm not losing it, that is just, it's sorting itself out with the wind. And the sun's just coming out behind me now. So that's a real cool shot. But this video is just to actually just to flatten out the battery guys, and also find out how long it can hover in quite strong winds. So let's go up a little bit. There we go. So it's just settling itself down now. So this flight is just to sort out, just to see how long it can hover for. I just want it to hover and flatten out the battery completely. That's what I'm looking at doing. The wind is quite strong today. It's been raining on and off throughout the day, and this flight isn't a flight, it's just to flatten out the battery guys. That's all I'm doing. I want to do a recording just to see how long it takes before the battery goes flat. So that's all I wanted to do. The sun is to my right, so I'm looking at the drone. I'm not doing anything because look, the controller is in my hand. I'm not touching anything. Just letting it hover there. I'm out of the way of people. I'm not near buildings. Those buildings are a distance away. There's no one in this field but myself. And this flight is just to hover. Just want to hover and see how long it can hover for. And that's the purpose of this flight. In fact, I'm going to stop the screen recording because I don't need it. I don't need the thing in my hand. I'm going to put it down actually. Don't need it. Now in this field it's really boggy, guys. So when it comes to land I'm going to catch her. Look at that shot there, that's a wicked shot. That's the wind taking it up. I'm not, as I say, I'm not touching it. You see what the time is? 3 o'clock. I have to pick up my son at 3:30. I don't think it's going to fly for that long. This is 4K 30 FPS. I'm outside. I want to see how long before the camera goes a bit sort of weird, because the last time I did a video you could see that the camera lens misted up from internal. Like, no hands, I've got that one, no controller, I'm just letting it hover. As soon as it comes to land I'm just going to put my hand out and it'll land on my hand. That shot there, that's a nice shot. There's all clouds up. Oh, that's a cool shot as well. So this is going to be a long video, guys. It's going to be 20 minutes plus. It's very strong winds. I mean very strong winds. But as I say, just to give you a bit of an idea of flight times, complete flight time. So I'm 6 minutes up to now, guys, 6 minutes, and I suppose I've got plenty of battery left, really. I've not got my controller with me, so I don't really know. Yeah, that's a cool shot just there like that. Coming up to 6 minutes and 50. Got full battery life on my camera. My memory card has got over 57 minutes to record. I'm filming in 4K 30. Just to see, I've got a seagull coming overhead, just checking me out. Circling me a little bit. So I'm recording the drone recording me. I'm not moving the drone, as you can see, but it's drifting. That's just the wind. But it's saying I've got 16 minutes left. I've been recording for 8 minutes, so that's 18, so about 24 and a half minutes. And they say hovering uses more energy than flying, so we'll see just how much we actually do get. through. Again, that's just the wind moving it, it's not me. I'm not too bothered. I know I'm going to get over 20 minutes. Could easily get 20 minutes, but 1 minute it's sunny, and the next minute it's not so sunny. The next minute it's a bit sort of cloudy, and threatens rain. I'll fly this as long as until it starts to, or hopefully it doesn't start to, and I'll be okay. But if it does, then I'll just do a landing in my hand, and that'll be the end of the video, guys. Up a little bit. Stop. 10 minutes, 37 seconds up to now. Hear the dog bark. I can't hear a dog either. Hear a dog bark somewhere. Keep my eye out for a dog walk, etc, etc. Yeah, still going strong. I've got 12, nearly 13 minutes to record. Sensor, if I got a bit close to it. Going. 12 minutes, 34. Look into the make of this camera, see if they've got a website, and see if there's a firmware update I can do for the camera. It's pretty good, to be honest. It does do 4K 60 frames a second. As I say, I've got it set to 4K 30. The last few videos I've done, I've deliberately done it in 2.7K 30, and I haven't been having issues. I think when you're using all of its processor, it literally overheats. It's just trying to do the video, it's using all the memory and everything, so it's just gets really, really hot. Point round here, it's looking right, big clouds coming over there, look. Bring it down a bit. With my arm mate trying to keep holding it up there. got 14 minutes. The wind that's doing that again. Let's go back a little bit. The wind is sort of blowing across the field to the side. Level it off a bit. And this will give me a good to use the camera. Or to use the new charger I've got. Keep an eye on the time. Past 3, 15.5 minutes. Good time, right? In this wind as well, it's very, very windy. You can see it, but I'm on a straight, and it's leaning into the wind. You can see that angle. It's still pretty damn good. We got 7 minutes left, which will be about 24 minutes. First battery warning at 18.5 minutes that was. I'm going to deliberately go past this. I want her to keep going until she runs out, and then I'll have a good idea of how long this new battery charger takes. that's all I'm doing today, is just to flatten out the battery so I can we're at 19 minutes now, guys. So hovering, strong wind, still got throttle, go down, go up, down, up, still got control. So 19 and a half, we've got 15% battery. As you can probably see up there, or maybe not. Low battery, fly with caution, blah blah blah. There's 20 minutes, 3 minutes left, 13% on the actual battery itself, which is fantastic. It'll come soon. It's pretty damn good. We're at now 21 minutes, guys. Still got power. Want to go up, down. Still got power. We're going up, down. Still very, very windy. 9% now, guys. When it gets to 5%, I think it'll just do an auto land. I'll have to catch it because I don't want it landed on the floor. It's long grass and it's probably got puddles and stuff. 21 minutes, guys, that's pretty awesome. In this wind as well. It's been moved a little bit, but I'm not bothered, really. Still doing good. Too windy to fly it, that's why I'm just doing a hover test. 22 minutes, guys. 5% on the battery. There you go. Gonna do a landing. Let me get my hand ready. Oh, it's coming down. There you go. So that was 22.5 minutes, just under 22.5 minutes, in very, very strong winds, and I've got, I think that is a 4% battery left, which is fine. That's all I wanted to do, was to do a little test. Now let me just try something, and I'm pretty sure I know the answer, but I'll try anyway. I'm going to put this where it's, and try and take off at 4% battery. I know the answer, I don't think it will, but I'll try. So let's see what happens. Yeah, no. That's it. So that's it, guys. It was 22.5 minutes, I believe, when it did auto land at 5% battery, which is something you guys can be aware of. It's saying critical battery low and all that jazz. So that was it. I mean, as you can see, there's water, surface water, like everywhere. That's why I didn't want to land it. I landed it, did a hand landing. It's just water, like everywhere. Well, that's it really, guys. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't like this video. This was just to flatten out the battery and I thought two birds with one stone. I can do a bit of a flight test, and I can see how long it actually takes before the battery goes completely flat, because I've never done a hover test for the whole of a flight. So that's it, real. That's it. There's nothing else to say. I've been Gadget Man 404. You guys have been amazing. Thank you for subscribing. Continue to subscribe. Hit that notification bell on YouTube and you will be notified of further uploads. And I will see you in the next one with the Mavic Mini on its amazing adventures. 22.5 minutes hover time in extreme winds, guys. So you can fly this for over or up to 24-25 minutes on a calm day, and weather conditions permitting, you know, warm and all that kind of thing. So you do get nearly the full flight time out of this tiny 2-cell battery. I've been Gadget Man 44. You guys have been amazing, and I will see you in the next one. Gadget Man 404 out.